Look at that. Back with the Frankies. The crew just rocked up. Frankie, the Frankie, was waiting around for a bit. And then the crew's rocked up. And now they're having something to eat. The Galahs are flying about, but they're going to wait. Used to be the Galahs having a feed first. And Frankie's used to wait. Now they're like swapped it around a little bit. Yeah. I reckon they're going to love the chairs when I get the chairs out there. I reckon they'll use them. Set them on the back there, like one at the back there, something like that. One in there. So get in there, another one over there, another one over there. Or at the front. Oh, they're there. Thinking probably the front. Keep thinking about the back's out of the way, but I reckon the front. Set them all on. Maybe even a bit of both. See how many chairs I got. Might look a little out of whack, as there'll be bars. But they're not there to look pretty, they're there to make a purpose. Are we going to have a look down? Your wheels looking. Yeah, there he is. You cheeky. Hey, can you hear me? They like to have a Google in. Whoop. He made a sudden move. What was he doing? I don't know him. Hey, buddy. You grab yourself some bread. Hey? Yeah, I've had some sunflower. I'm going to have yourself some bread. We've got a pile there in the middle. You see that? There is the fruit and nuts and that for birds. That budgies here, babies. Didn't want to eat. They say they're for budgies. I didn't have a bar of it. But I noticed when I chucked it out there, the first half of the bag, after the budgies didn't want any, someone ate it. So I'm curious to who ends up eating it. I'm thinking it's the galahs, maybe, or the cockies. Or the pigeons. They're not too fast. They're getting into a little bit around it. There are big chunks of nut in it. And I know the galahs love the corn, chunky stuff. No. The buddies, which flew past a few times. Yeah. I was looking at all the birds at the back earlier, 20 minutes ago or so, and there was a bit more birds too. So I'll leave. I'm like, oh, where's the buddies? I haven't seen the buddies yet. And the next minute, two of them flew past. I'm like, oh, they haven't come here yet. They fly around. I'm like, there's the buddies. I said it to someone was here when it happened. It's pretty funny. We can call it good timing. So where's the buddies, Frankie? Where are they hanging out? You made a contract? Do you know about a contract? People love talking about contracts these days, Frankie. Hey, I can do a hand update while I'm here. Just looking at them, they're just getting a bit dry. Check it out. They dry up a bit, so I let them dry out a bit, and then I moisten them up a bit, then I let them dry out a bit, and I moisten them up a bit. Like little crater holes, eh? Melted into me like plastic with hot metal. Hey, funny? Yeah. They're chucking something funny. And this one here, the bad finger, should I say. Not too bad, still. It's getting better. It's starting to dry out for the moist look this morning because I put cream and a band-aid on it overnight. And then I let it air out until I go to bed again. That's my routine. Some nights I've kept the band-aid on. So we'll say 50-50. Oh, that's all. It's just staying black. Try to peck at it, but it's just like staying like that. So I just leave it black like a scab. It's a little bit of concrete mixed into that. It hasn't softened, dried out where it come out. It just seems to get over that. But there you go. Getting there. Yeah, we'll find out how long it took to heal, eh? They all got their bread? This year too. Just remember, I think we've got 2 cats we've got to register. Saving up some money, so wish you a good year. Have everything more legit. Sort out a few more things when it comes to the vet. I want to mention that. I've got the animals here. So meow meow meow. Black Betty was out earlier. So I remembered just a few weeks ago about that. I'm like, oh yeah, gotta catch up on that. I nearly went out the memory for a while because we're getting there, and then the second plan hasn't finished yet. Takes time on things, isn't it? Yeah, we have to get all the paperwork sorted out and stuff. So I gotta make sure I get back in it. It all depends on how many different things that you're going through that, you know, all at once. So how quick things get done, isn't it? Only going through a couple of things, you can get it done quick. If you've got shitloads going at once, it slows you down. It's like, oh, I've got to put this here, there, got to go over here. I've got to get back to this. Oh, I nearly forgot about that. It's been a while. Who's ever been like that? The babies have. No. Hey, you babies go sweet. You're going to learn up and then you're going to go teach some others out here, aren't you? And you're telling these guys they're all learning. Oh, I hear about that. Who was that squawking? Something going on. Just get up into the higher radar and they'll think about it. And they'll either go or they won't. It reminds me of the old battle days. You know, when they see smoke signals, person comes in on a horse or a bicycle, right, sent out. Yeah, they either make their decision or they go, all right, that's all right, or they take off and then they come back. They'll come back and they've done their like mission. Most of the time, occasionally they won't be back till the next day. That must have been a big mission. Right? So, who out there can explain why they do such things? And see, you got drones these days. If you can follow where they go, wouldn't that be cool? If I had a drone that could that you picture them, so you go, this is the group, so it gets a picture of them, right? So this will help out bad people. Your drone, and then if they take off, if you're in with them, these drones can take off to find out where these birds go when they get called, instead of us trying to assume. Wouldn't that be pretty cool? And a good use of drones. Certain groups can get permits to do it. Because that's what I'd do with a drone. My name's the Barrel. Yes. Alright, I'm going to leave it there. It's been over 11 minutes now. And have a good one. And I might do another video later, maybe, when they come back. They'll do back. I might not. Bye bye.